easy and effective. How to capture screenshots on your PC in a few simple steps. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to take a screenshot on a PC. Method 1. Using the PrtScn Key. Full screenshot. Number 1. Locate the PrtScn Key. Find the PrtScn Key on your keyboard. It is usually located in the top row, typically near the function keys F1, F2, etc. Number 2. Press the PrtScn Key. Press the PrtScn Key once. This captures the entire screen. Number 3. Open an image editor. Open any image editing software like Paint, Photoshop, or even Microsoft Word. Number 4. Paste the screenshot. Inside the image editor, press Ctrl V to paste the screenshot. Alternatively, right-click and select Paste. Number 5. Save the screenshot. After pasting, you can edit the screenshot if needed. Then save the image by clicking on File, Save As, and choose your desired format, JPEG, PNG, etc. Name your file and select the folder to save it. Active Windows Screenshot. Number 1. Select the window. Click on the window you want to capture to make it active. Number 2. Press Alt plus Print Screen. Hold down the Alt key and then press the PrtScn Key. This captures only the active window. Number 3. Open an image editor. Open any image editing software like Paint, Photoshop, or Microsoft Word. Number 4. Paste the screenshot. Inside the image editor, press Ctrl V to paste the screenshot. Alternatively, right-click and select Paste. Number 5. Save the screenshot. After pasting, you can edit the screenshot if needed. Then, save the image by clicking on File, Save As, and choose your desired format, JPEG, PNG, etc. Name your file and select the folder to save it. Method 2. Using the Snipping Tool, Windows. Number 1. Open the Snipping Tool. Type Snipping Tool in the Windows search bar and open the application. Number 2. Select the screenshot mode. Click on New in the Snipping Tool window. Choose the type of screenshot you want: freeform, rectangular, window, or full screen. Number 3. Capture the screenshot. Depending on the mode you selected, click and drag to capture the area you want to screenshot. Number 4. Save the screenshot. After capturing the screenshot, you can annotate or highlight areas if needed. Then click on File, Save As to save the screenshot. Method 3. Using the Snip and Sketch tool, Windows 10 and later. Number 1. Open the Snip and Sketch tool. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S to open the Snip and Sketch tool or search for it in the Windows search bar. Number 2. Capture the screenshot. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture. You will see options to annotate, highlight, or crop the screenshot. Number 3. Save the screenshot. After editing, click on the same icon to save the screenshot. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Method 4. Using the PrtScn plus Windows key, Windows 8 and later. Number 1. Press PrtScn plus Windows key. Press the Windows key plus PrtScn simultaneously. The screen will dim for a moment, indicating that the screenshot has been taken. Number 2. Find the screenshot. Screenshots taken using this method are automatically saved in the Screenshots folder in your Pictures library. Method 5. Using the Game Bar, Windows 10. Number 1. Open the Game Bar. Press Windows key plus G to open the Game Bar overlay. Number 2. Take the screenshot. Click on the camera icon in the Game Bar overlay to take a screenshot. Number 3. Find the screenshot. Screenshots taken using this method are automatically saved in the Captures folder under Videos in your User folder. With these methods, you can easily take screenshots on your PC for capturing moments, sharing information, or saving important details. Alright, folks, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Before we wrap up, remember this: magic is believing in yourself. If you can do that, you can make anything happen. So keep pushing forward, stay positive, and believe in your abilities. You've got this. Thank you so much for tuning in and supporting this channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me and helps this community grow. Let us continue to inspire and uplift each other. Until next time, stay awesome, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Don't forget to check out other videos on the channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.